in Pakistan was started in 2005. We are Pakistan's first private sector non-NGO transformed microfinance bank, and we are also Pakistan's first mobile money deployment. Now, the ability to bring transactions on the mobile phone has proven to be transformational for our country. Very early on in our model, we realized, as way back as 2007, that the conventional branch banking models in Pakistan and the number of branches, for instance, the bank branches were 12,500 back in 2007, and we realized that with the population size in Pakistan of 180 million people, out of which 89% of them are unbanked and have no formal access to formal finance, we realized that we would have to have something transformational in order to bring financial inclusion to the masses in a massive way. So what we figured out was that since Pakistan has a very high mobile footprint and penetration, we would use the mobile channel, and we launched a service. We partnered then with Telenor, which is a 150-year-old telecom and the 6th largest telecom, I believe, in the world. And we partnered with Telenor to launch our service, which is called Easy Paisa. Easy, of course, means easy, and Paisa in our language, Urdu, means money. So Easy Paisa was launched in 2009, and right now, today, in 2012, we have about 1 million mobile transactions per month and about 3 billion in financial terms. And the average ticket size of our transactions is about 1,200 rupees. So you can imagine, if it's 3 billion a month in 1,200 rupees, that's a lot of transactions happening. Once we launched the mobile gateway, we were also, of course, before we launched the mobile, we were doing our regular microcredit and savings services and offering that to the public. And I'd also like to share with you that we are the only institution in Pakistan, the only financial institution in Pakistan who offers emergency loans within 2 hours to the underprivileged. Of course, against collateral, but our service offers within 2 hours finance to someone who really needs the money right there. Now, to integrate these two things, we were able to integrate our mobile money deployment with our microcredit and with our savings, so that today in Pakistan, at the bottom of the pyramid, we have today 16,500 corner shops which are providing financial services to the underprivileged. And compared to the 12,500 bank branches that exist in Pakistan, that's remarkable, because 16,500 outlets are much more than all the bank branches put together. Once we secured these two verticals, we realized that once we loan to a customer who's already in a financial crisis, and if they fall ill or face a health emergency, then it is a high risk to the bank, and of course it is a total disaster for the person who is in a problem. Because one of the key reasons that a home at the bottom of the pyramid goes into a down spiral is health. So we partnered with Asia Care, which is an American company and provides a good standardized hospital network across Pakistan. We partnered with them to launch the first peace and wellness program. And one of the big challenges in microinsurances is negative selection, which basically means if you leave it up to the people, to the public, and they can select, then you would get a lot of people who are ill and who need the service, and you would not get people who are, you would not get an equal balance. So what we decided to do was to embed the health insurance with our loan and our savings products. And today, every customer who comes and takes a loan from Tamir Microfinance Bank is automatically, for a very minimal price of under ₹2 a day, is insured against medical emergencies, illnesses, and other general healthcare services. And that is proving transformational for us. Now, all of these things, these three things that I've mentioned to you, which is mobile banking, which is microcredit and savings, and health insurance and healthcare, the combination of these have enabled us to break even within 5 years of starting up. And I'd like to share with you that our portfolio delinquency is one of the lowest in the world, at under 1%.